Hello guys, if you're a Pokemon card fan and you're tired of seeing out of stock, this video was made for you. PokePings rated 4.9 from 645 real reviews, over 23,000 members, and a presence on Instagram, X, and YouTube. This is the weapon that collectors and resellers use to get the rarest cards before anyone else. Stay with me. What I'm about to show you will change everything. If you're interested, the link is down in the description. Look at this. Never miss drops. These are not just words. This is a promise. 33,350 members on Discord, a rating of 4.96 from 609 real reviews, and 19,950 members on WOP. And the website itself says it clearly. Competitors charge $25 per month, and we deliver more. So what are you waiting for? Now look at this. This is the Live Drops page, and it updates in real time. On the left, you have online restocks. Look at this. Surging Sparks Booster Bundle is back in stock for $24.99, and that was only 15 seconds ago. 15 seconds. And on the right, in-store alerts. They tell you exactly which products are available right now at Walmart, Pokemon Center, and Best Buy. Green means it's live right now. Yellow means limited stock. This is your unfair advantage that nobody else has. Now let's talk about the price. Look at this. PokePings is ranked number 1 at only $8.99 per month. Other groups charge anywhere from $10 to $27, sleeved is $15, and lunch money is $25. PokePings is the cheapest of all the competition. And the website itself says it loud and clear, unbeatable price. You get the best for the lowest price, so what exactly are you waiting for? And that's not all. Look at this. Trusted by thousands. Real reviews from real people. Warren says, great server. Helps me get drops constantly. 5 stars. And this verified WOP review says better than paid servers. And it is a paid server at only $8.99 a month. Every single review. Positive. Open their Discord. Now let's step inside the Discord. Look at this. There are dozens of channels and people actively engaging all the time. This is not an empty server. This is a real living community. And check this out. There's a dedicated giveaways channel. They give away free prizes on a regular basis. Real people winning rare cards for free. So you're not just paying $8.99 for alerts, you're entering a chance to get cards without spending anything extra. And check this out. There's a dedicated giveaways channel. They give away free prizes on a regular basis. Real people winning rare cards for free. So you're not just paying $8.99 for alerts, you're entering a chance to get cards without spending anything extra. Honestly, this server is bigger than I expected. There are dozens of channels covering everything you could need, from alerts and guides to an active community that helps each other around the clock. Unfortunately, I can't show you everything in this video because it would go on forever. But what you've seen so far is just a small part of what PokePings has to offer. You need to get in there yourself and see the full picture. Look right here. PokePings gives you 2 options. The first is PokePings Premium at $8.99 per month. And 4,941 people have already paid and subscribed. That's nearly 5,000 people paying every single month because it's worth it. The second is PokePings Free Access, completely free, with 19,978 people who have joined. So even if you don't want to pay right away, you can join for free and see exactly what it offers before you decide. Listen, this server was built for one person only. The one who is tired of missing out of stock, tired of watching others get the rare cards while you get nothing. PokePings fixes that. Online stores, physical stores, exact drop times, direct links, all ready before anyone else knows. They're not selling you a subscription. They're selling you an unfair advantage. Look at this review. Someone who has been a member for a full year. They say they wouldn't have gotten a single card without this server. A whole year and not one regret. Now look at the photo they shared. Wow. Just look at that collection. That could be you. And here's the best part. Before you pay a single dollar, they give you 5 days completely free to try everything yourself. After that, it's only $8.99 per month. No risk, no pressure. Just try it and see for yourself. And when you're ready to subscribe, payment is super simple. You have 3 options: PayPal, Cash App, or bank transfer. Whatever works for you is available. Hit join and get in now, because every day you wait is another drop you're missing. If you made it this far, you're serious. The link is down in the description. 5 days free. Don't miss out.